Wow, guys.
It's been long.
Yeah, since we met.
Me and Mr. Giddy have been together and you and Tech Bird.
Yeah.
We haven't met ever since.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
we did order a few things.
Yeah, we ordered it.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Alright. So, I got soda. What do you got? Oh, there's fries, pizza, burgers, corn, and another soda.
Yeah.
And yeah. Well, let's start digging. Nom. Goody.
That was good.
Well,
Yeah.
hey guys, let's eat the fries next.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Don't worry, I'll open it. Yeah, that was...
That was best in the fries.
Yeah. Now, for
The pizza.
Yeah. I'm gonna go open it.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, goody.
There's one more.
No,
I
it's
get
mine.
it.
No,
I'm the main character.
I bought it.
No, guys, I am the main character. I own it. You know, literally, I'm the best.
No, you're not. You're not the
No,
best. You're the worst.
No,
Yeah.
I did.
This is mine.
should deserve
No, I should get it.
No, Tech Bird. You're the
You're
fourth
fine,
main
fine,
character.
fine.
What, huh?
We should share it. We shared the fries and we shared almost all this food. So I think we should share this.
Yeah, I guess.
Fine. I'm sorry, Mr.
Yeah,
Kitty.
let's.
I'm
I'll break
sorry,
it in half.
BB Bird, for saying that.
Yeah, now let me break it in half.
Yeah, we did it. We
Yeah.
shared it.
Yeah, now let's enjoy.
Yeah.
Eat my food. Well, thanks for watching the video. Like
Yeah,
and
guys.
subscribe.
The crew is back.
Alright, no, it's yours line. BB Bird say B.